Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off sound effects on Ninja Must Die. So let's get started. First of all, open the Ninja Must Die app on your device. Now tap on the gear button and next you can find on button just beside sound effects. Tap on it and once the blue color switches to the off, that's how you know that you've turned off the sound effects on Ninja Must Die. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.